Go ahead, go fishing. There's Blue at. Where's he at? There's Blue. Ooh. Yeah. I know, I missed it too. Go ahead, go fishing. Oh, that one had a fish. Has a fish. There we go. Oh! Dropped it. And the gull has it. Yeah, you tell him, Blue. Look at these guys. They're like, where's my fish? Oh, they're all going back down. Let's see. Did you hear Blue yelling at the gull? It was funny. Let's see if they come up with anything. Nope. Nothing. Not a one.